In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the display language settings on Microsoft Copilot. Whether you're looking to improve accessibility or simply want to interact with the platform in your preferred language, this tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps. Let's get started and make those changes together. First, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. This is essential because your language preferences will be tied to your personal account settings. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and navigate to the Microsoft sign-in page. Enter your credentials, and once you're in, we'll be ready to proceed to the next step. Now that you're signed in, we need to access the Copilot settings page. To do this, go to your Microsoft Copilot platform. Once you're there, locate and click on the settings icon. It's typically represented by a gear symbol. This will direct you to the main settings page where we can start making our adjustments. Once you're on the settings page, look for an option titled Display Language. This section allows you to choose from a variety of language options that Microsoft offers. Take your time browsing through the list and find the language that is most comfortable for you. The language you select here will determine the language of all menus, tooltips, and other interface elements within Copilot. After you have selected your preferred display language, it's a good idea to double-check your choice before proceeding. A small but important tip here is to ensure that you are selecting the language variant that you are most familiar with, as some languages can have regional differences. Next, you may be prompted to save your changes. If this prompt appears, make sure to click on the Save button to confirm your new settings. Saving your changes ensures that the system applies the new language preferences and retains them for future use. With your changes saved, it's time to refresh the page. This step is crucial as it reloads the interface with the settings you've just configured. Refreshing the page can be easily done by either clicking the refresh icon on your browser or by pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. Once the page has reloaded, you should notice that the interface now reflects your selected display language. Take a moment to browse around and make sure everything looks and reads correctly. By following these steps, you've successfully customized the language settings for Microsoft Copilot, enhancing your user experience to fit your linguistic preferences. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. See you in the next video.